Managing water treatment across 12 healthcare facilities requires consistency, visibility, and dependable support. Before partnering with Apex, this regional health system was dealing with inconsistent treatment programs, unresolved equipment issues, and too many temporary fixes instead of long-term solutions. The facilities needed more than routine chemical delivery. Their teams wanted to understand why treatment was needed, how programs were performing, and what improvements would support long-term reliability. They needed clearer answers, stronger operator involvement, and a partner who would follow through. Apex had already supported the health system with water management programs and complex potable water concerns, including Legionella and other waterborne pathogens. That experience gave Team Apex a deeper understanding of the facilities, their personnel, and the connection between water safety and utility water treatment. To address the health system's broader needs, Apex brought together specialists in utility water treatment, healthcare water safety, laboratory services, equipment, controls, and field support. The team developed a coordinated approach focused on resolving underlying problems, improving program consistency, and helping hospital personnel take a more active role through training, testing, and performance monitoring. When unexpected treatment gaps emerged before the planned transition, Team Apex responded quickly. Chemicals and tanks were delivered, treatment was established, and service began early at the affected locations. The customer was not left waiting for the official start date. The team focused on what the facilities needed and acted. Apex also made the hospital teams part of the solution. Operators received training, tools, and clearer guidance for testing, monitoring, and communicating results. The facilities with the strongest operator participation began seeing the greatest improvements in treatment consistency. Within the first few months, the customer was already seeing more consistent treatment, improved housekeeping, and progress on equipment recommendations. At one facility, Apex eliminated an unnecessary acid feed to a cooling tower. The customer has continued asking the team to identify additional improvements and develop future project priorities. The customer wanted more than a vendor. They wanted knowledgeable people, responsive service, clearer communication, and solutions designed for long-term performance. That is the difference between a water vendor and a water partner.